Your continuous support. Dear audience, we rarely get this kind of an opportunity to listen to the words of great personality like Honorable Dr. Y.K. Alag Sir, President, Padma Shri Dr. Vithalrao Vikhe Patil Foundation and Chancellor, Central University of Gujarat. I now take an opportunity to invite on dais the dynamic visionary and an outstanding contributor of our foundation, Honorable Dr. Y.K. Alag Sir, to grace this occasion at the outset.
Thank you, young ladies, for your kind words. Bala Sahib, Dr. Sujay Vikhe Patil, General Sadanand, Mr. Guge, Dr. Koltek, all my colleagues here. Ladies and gentlemen, I am supposed to be the president of the foundation, so I should be actually telling Sujay to wind up and give us a cup of tea. If I read my whole speech, it will take half an hour. So वो मुझे करना नहीं है. It has been printed, you please read it. मैं बोल देता हूँ, but I know that the young friends that I have here, they would rather spend time buying inhale for their girlfriend rather than at night. But should be कोई भूला भटका हो, since I have done some work for it, please feel free to read my speech. बाकी मुझे दो चार चीजें कहनी थी, वो बड़ा साहब ने कह दी. So there is not much that I have to say, but फिर भी बोला गया है तो I will say a few words. Positive है, negative है. ये बाला साहब की बात सही है. See, on Mondays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays, I think globalization, information technology, all these things are very positive, and we are on a 9% growth path. But on Thursdays, Fridays and Saturdays, जब growth rate कम हो जाता है, जब 3 हफ्ते में $11 billion, not of foreign direct investment, because those who really invest, they are interested in India. But those who just bring money, they took it away. And it's an electronic world. It's an information technology world in which they could take away $11 billion over 3 weeks, and then they have brought back $3 billion. My teacher, Larry Klein, he is the second economist to have got a Nobel Prize. So I was on some kind of Fulbright advanced lecture, and he said, Yoginder, ask foreign direct investment to come, but not financial investment. So is information technology interface, which makes, as I think one of our friends said, money, electronic money, which takes seconds to transfer billions of dollars, is it a blessing or is it a curse? It's in your hands, my young friends, which is what Vikhe Patil told you. हमारे हाथ में है. अगर, the World Bank once asked me at the Bali conference of the world of the governors of the central banks to speak on the demographic dividend. So I read on the demographic dividend. Young India, China not so young because they are going to get old very soon. But young India, you treat them badly, they will not be a dividend, they will be a loss. You treat them well, there's a Vikhe Patil who says, पढ़ो, कुछ करो, समझो, दुनिया तुम्हारी है, they will conquer the world. So, information technology, the interface is basically in your hands. If you want to read more on it, I have a 5-page speech, but maybe this khatta meetha business, I'll take a couple of minutes more, and then, see, my worry is that chai thandi to ho hi gayi hai, par wo chale jayenge chai par. If I read my whole speech. More equal, more unequal. This is a question which Vikhe Patil asked you. In positive or negative? Very difficult to answer that question, Bala Sahib. But you know more than me because Nehru Chacha came here. There is a picture, no? You remember? Nehru Chacha ki, I think, with with your dad on the cooperative. It can be very unequal because the interface of information technology is with everything. This is what you have to understand. क्या मतलब? खाली इंजीनियरिंग मत करो मेरे भाई या मेरी बहन, खाली मेडिकल डॉक्टर नहीं बनो मेरे भाई और मेरी बहन. ये समझो कि जो भी एप्लीकेशन है, it is interdisciplinary. Information technology is, you know, that most of the guys who do software experts are not software engineers. They are people who do statistics, economics, anything, and then they do the 3 diplomas. I'm glad that a friend from AICTE is here. And then they do applications. Whatever you want, railway ticket khareedna hai, information technology is important. Dairy development plan, information technology is important. Globalization of agriculture in Nagar and removing poverty in Nagar, information technology is important. One of my friends is a chap called Ricardo Petrella. He was heading the 13th Directorate of FAST, which is the European Economic Commission's forward-looking planning agency. वो लोग प्लानिंग करते हैं, हम प्लानिंग को आजकल we only abuse planning. तो बड़े गरीब जगह में भी, if you bring in the knowledge, then it spreads very fast. So Bala Sahib, are you going to be more equal or are you going to be more unequal? It is in our hands. We must stop being fatalistic. If we decide कि इस इलाके को we will bring it to global levels, then you will need information. Whether it is educational services, whether it is agro processing, whether it is dairy, whether it is markets, whether it is export. And if the preconditions are there, what are the preconditions? वो network होना चाहिए. अब तो वो satellite से आता है. You know, I was traveling with my son Munish last year, and he said, Daddy, you know, we were going from, I think, from Aurangabad to Loni, and he said, I can get a message now. तो याद है आपको 8-10 साल पहले we were struggling so much कि अपने 55 गांव में एक वो लिंक हो जाए सैटेलाइट के साथ, और उसका जरूरत नहीं है बात. So अगर preconditions हैं, if you have the network, if your leaders have the vision that space matters and communication matters, then you are there. If you don't have the vision, you are not there. If you have the vision, you are more equal, because the most unequal places get access to this technology. If you don't have the vision, you will always remain unequal. And that is a demographic divide. So that is the only message I have written in, since I am a professor and as I said, an economist, I make simple things very difficult. So I have made them very difficult over 5 pages. But if you want to read it, since Sujoy and Dr. Ingle asked me, I could see this even when I was Minister for Science and Technology, that even in the late 90s, we were taking very important decisions. Those decisions with which people in the most backward parts of India will have access to modern technology. And those infrastructures which would have taken us years and thousands of crores to build could be built by creating that infrastructure and giving our young people the key to the future. And if it is there, you are more equal. If it is not there, then there are all these funny things. And one of my very distinguished economists who said a lot of very wise things, who's sitting here, said about that young lady who got married and she faced a problem. So if you are not there, then you will remain out of the world and inequality will be more. But if our leadership has vision and it creates the preconditions, and if you have the urge And I'm very happy that there is generational progress in the Pravara setup. We are going from V.K. Patil, Balakrishna. My generation is with V.K. Patil now to a younger generation. So if you have the vision and if we create the infrastructure with which you can read this world and you can utilize this world, then it is a blessing. Is it happening in India? कौन सी कुछ जगह हो रहा कुछ जगह नहीं हो रहा. We want more of it to happen. There is absolutely no reason why this infrastructure should not be there all over the country, why the enrollment rates for understanding it should only be 13% and not 45%, going up to 70%. It's only when you do that that the interface will become real. Sectorally, the interface is there. It is not just information technology. It's with agriculture, it's with biotechnology, it's with dairying. The National Dairy Development Plan is built with an IT. It's poultry. Do you know that it is information technology which was used to reduce the feed-meat ratio by 100 grams. You realize what that means? It means India saves 13 million tons of grain. So the application possibly, and it was in Pune where the technology came for the first time. And I can show you how we supported it. I was minister, I was in the planning commission. And how some fellows opposed it later on and removed it, and then it keeps on coming back. So we don't have this kind of go forward, go back, have some sense of vision. Of course, I realize that our democratic country hai, everything is out in the open and people will fight for outcomes. But if all of you are very clear that the future is in your hands, that this is a tool that you face, that the society from which you come faces very complex problems, but all of them have solutions, and this is a tool that you will use for those solutions. Then you will not only help India to become a happier, a more equal and a more prosperous state, but you will yourself stand tall and you will yourself make a reputation. Just in the next 3 days, I hope the chaiwalas have not gone away. Thank you for listening to me. You're all beautiful people.